program Roma, first of all turn it on underneath and it will let you know that it's ready.
Hi, it's nice to see you. Let's play.
Then simply program using the arrow key and the amount you want to go, remembering the default unit is a Roma length.
I can do
it. To turn, first of all, make sure there's nothing in the memory.
Are you sure? Do that again and I'll know nothing.
Now the arrow key for turning and the number of degrees.
Let's go.
This is the early years keypad. The turn is a quarter turn, so a single key press will turn it 90
Your
degrees.
wish is my command.